it is a trending subject in almost every industry, from business to entertainment, content development, and more. While many people are already using it, many others do not have the slightest clue what Chat GPT is, or how it can impact the future. So, what is Chat GPT, and what does its entrance mean for the future of AI? Let's find out. Let's face the truth. Chat GPT has made a big splash. It is scary good. After its launch, the bot gained over 1 million users in just 5 days. So, how big of a deal is this chatbot? Simple. There's nothing like it. Other tech giants like Meta and Google have already modeled tools that rely on programs to offer a response to human prompts so they can provide sophisticated answers. OpenAI's Chat GPT is revolutionary, creating a user interface that runs off massive computing technologies and large amounts of data to predict how words are stringed together meaningfully. The bot taps into a wide range of information and vocabulary, meaning it can contextually understand words. With this approach, the bot mimics speech patterns and dispatches encyclopedic knowledge. So, what does the future of ChatGPT look like? Increased use of the AI across different industries. AI is already used in various sectors, from business and healthcare to banking and finance. The introduction of ChatGPT and its capabilities will change how companies and individuals view artificial intelligence. One thing will happen in the future: more businesses will adopt AI in their daily operations. The bot is a significant addition to the field of AI, making it an on-demand technology. As a result, businesses and individuals are now focusing on adopting this technology to cut costs while enhancing efficiency and productivity. More demand for AI skills. Artificial intelligence is a superior technology with various features and capabilities to help businesses achieve set objectives in record time seamlessly. Whereas AI tools will be necessary for the workforce to help improve productivity and performance, you will still need more skilled individuals to use such technology. Ideally, while you may not need people to attend to some issues anymore, you will need individuals with the right skills to use AI tools. For instance, in the past, big companies needed to train their staff to create PowerPoints. With ChatGPT, you only need to know how to ask the bot the right questions, and you will have your PowerPoints in no time. AI in customer service. Exceptional customer service is a critical element of success in the modern business world. Nevertheless, most companies need help with maintaining effective customer service. For many businesses, customer service involves buying expensive tools, hiring and training support agents, and working long shifts. Artificial intelligence is an effective solution to such struggles. With AI, organizations can improve their support with fewer resources. Whereas some customer service roles, such as telemarketers, may be replaced by AI, human input will still be important. As such, acquiring the right AI skills and experience will make you an invaluable asset. What does ChatGPT mean for the future? ChatGPT could be better. Yet, like all machine learning systems, it is trained on a huge dataset from the internet, articles, and books. That means it is only aware of things and events covered in the data it was trained on, which means there is a cutoff date of events it is aware of. That knowledge cutoff date is September 2021. Even then, ChatGPT is not perfect. Freshman-level questions of logic often trip it up. Putting a tool like ChatGPT in the hands of the public, you can bet people will find entertaining uses for it. Generating poetry and song lyrics, writing fictional stories and dialogue for characters in books, movies and TV shows, creating fake quotes and speeches for historical figures, chatting with people in a variety of creative and humorous ways, creating Mad Libs and other word games, generating jokes and puns, creating fake news articles and social media posts, etc. This preceding list of uses was produced by ChatGPT when we prompted it. More serious applications people have put it to use include developing business plans for specific ventures and regions in the world, creating research summaries, translation, writing and debugging code, etc. In the context of education, students have praised ChatGPT for its potential to serve as a personal tutor with infinite patience, with an interface much simpler than regular search engines. Does that mean ChatGPT is about to replace the Googles, Bings, and DuckDuckGos of the world? Not quite yet. OpenAI had to throttle access to ChatGPT due to, as expected, huge demand. The exact cost of generating a response by ChatGPT is not known, but some educated back-of-the-envelope calculations estimate it at between $1.5 and $8 million per month in terms of energy costs alone, even at this very limited release stage. What are your thoughts on AI? Let us know in the comments below. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want to watch more insightful videos, click on your screen now, and we'll see you there.